All right, this is number 8 on page 52, and this is a problem where we have a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles, and we're told that the angle measures are consecutive even integers, and we know from geometry that the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees, and we're also told that in the problem. So the sum of the angles, we just add up some expressions that represent the sum of each of these angles, is 540, and we're supposed to find the measure of the largest angle. So I just drew a random pentagon, and I'm going to label its angles, but first I have to focus on what does consecutive even integers mean. Consecutive even integers are whole numbers, and they, in this case, they're positive because they're all angle measures. And so if I started on any even number, say I started on the number 14 and I wanted 5 consecutive even numbers, if that's the smallest, well, the next even number, if I'm going up, would be 16. So I have to add 2. And then the next even number would be 18, and I'd add 2 to the previous value. And to get to the next even number, that'd be 20. And then to get to the 5th even number, again, I would add 2 to get to 22. So those would be the consecutive even integers, and notice that I had to skip over the odds. The same would be true if I wanted consecutive odd integers. I'd start on an odd number, add 2 to get to the next odd number, etc. So if whatever the smallest angle is, we'll just call this one angle x degrees, then the next if the next angle is a consecutive even integer bigger than x, it's going to be 2 degrees more than that. And then I add 2 more degrees to get to the third angle, and 2 more degrees to get to the fourth angle, and 2 more degrees to get to the largest angle. So the largest angle is going to be this one, the x plus 8, when I'm all done. So anyway, the sum of all of these angles is 540 degrees, so I'm going to write that algebraically. So I've got the sum of all these. I'm going to be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's, plus 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 4 is 18, plus 2 is 20. So that's the sum of all those angles being 540 degrees. So to solve for x, subtracting 20 from both sides and dividing by 5, I get that the smallest angle, x, is 104 degrees. So if that's the case, then the largest angle, x plus 8, is 104 plus 8, or 112 degrees. So the answer to the question is the largest angle is 112 degrees. And you should check that by filling in what each of the angle measures would be and adding them up. And I will leave that to you, but this would be 104 degrees. This angle would be 106, 108, 110 degrees, and then the largest angle, 112 degrees. And when you do add those all up, it adds to 540 degrees. So that's it.